Is this place open?
I think so.
Then where's the employee?
Wait. Where is everyone?
The store is open. The lights are on. The door is unlocked, but nobody's there. At first, it feels strange. You walk inside. You look around. You expect someone to appear. Maybe they're in the back. Maybe they're helping another customer. Maybe they stepped outside. But nobody comes. And yet, people keep walking in. They take an ice cream. They grab a drink. They choose what they want. They pay. And they leave without speaking to anyone. The strange part is that nobody seems surprised. Nobody is looking for the cashier. Nobody is asking for help. Most people don't even think about it. They already know how it works. In Korea, places like this are easy to find. Ice cream stores, coffee shops, photo booths, laundry rooms, small convenience stores. Sometimes the store is open, but nobody is there. At first, you keep looking around. Maybe someone is watching. Maybe someone will come out. Maybe you missed the cashier. But nobody comes. The store keeps running anyway. People walk in. People buy what they need. People leave. And somehow, everything still works. Nobody is watching the counter. Nobody is standing by the door. Nobody is telling people what to do. The screen does. The kiosk guides you. The payment system works. The cameras are there. And still, everything works. But after a while, you stop noticing those things. What feels unusual at first starts to feel normal. You walk in, take what you need, pay, and leave without thinking about it. That's the strange part. The employee is gone, but the store keeps running. And after living in Korea, that starts to feel completely normal until someone visits from another country and asks, "Wait, where's the employee?" But have you ever wondered, how can a store stay open when nobody is there?